Hello friends, this is Neta from Dove Trading School, and I am your instructor in all the contents that I'm going to be showing you now. So to begin with, I'm going to take you through the contents of the courses that will make you a professional trader. So the minutes that I'll be putting at the end of every course does not really mean that is how long we'll spend, but that is just an approximate duration. So the first thing is that I'll take you through the introduction. You need to know Forex. Many traders have skipped this because they thought they can begin from somewhere up, but that has costed their professionalism, or it has costed their ability to trade successfully. So you need the introduction. Then after the introduction, I'll be taking you through Forex major market movers. So you need to understand the major market movers. What moves the market? What moves your country's currency? Okay, what moves the power of your country's currency? So you need to understand all these things in your country and so on. What are the economic factors that change, okay, that change the price of your currency? So you need to understand all these things. So the third point that I'm going to be taking you through is understanding Forex currencies, okay, and the best pairs, okay. Please master that, rather put in mind that every point that I'm laying down here is a content of each and every course that you need to undergo through, okay. So the first one that I'm going to be taking you through is actually the introduction. So okay, so on the third one, understanding the Forex currencies and the best pairs. Many traders have jumped on to trade synthetic pairs that they don't even understand well. Others have ended up jumping into anything that they see as long as it can be traded. Then they have lost huge sums of money. Why? Because they do not understand the behavior of those pairs. Okay, so you need to understand the type of pairs that you are going to be trading. So I'm going to also highlight the best pairs that you should be trading, okay, in that course. Okay, so the other fourth course is how to read pairs. So you need to understand how you are going to read pairs. If I buy, what am I doing? If I sell, what am I doing? Okay, so those are some of the things that you need to understand on how to read the pair. What comes first? And when you see something on the left side, like maybe USD, or let's say pound USD, okay, pound USD. Why is pound on the left side and why is USD on the other right hand side? So you need to understand, and how do you read them on the patterns. So this is very important for you to know before you jump in the market thinking it is just some kind of gambling. No, Forex needs knowledge, guys, and that's why as Dove Trading School we are here to make sure that we give you this knowledge without fail. Okay, so do not take anything so light. I am going to teach you deep into this thing. Okay, so the Forex lingo, 20 minutes. That's not going to be 20 minutes really. It depends to how you are going to catch up and how I'll do hands-on work with you, and how we're going to be doing one-to-one courses. So the minutes can differ, actually maybe less than that or slightly above that. So the Forex lingo is all about the language of Forex. So somebody can tell you to say go long and you do not know what is to go long. Go short, you don't know how to go short. So what is that? So you need to understand the language of Forex. So it is in every institution you need first to get to know. Okay, you need first to get to know what language they use. Okay, so I used to work in a bank and I actually resigned from the bank in order for me to just concentrate on Forex. Okay, I had a very good job by then, but then this time around I have a better one because this is what I had opted to do. Okay, so Forex is keeping up well. And then in the banking language, we had codes that we used to use when we were interacting with each other in the bank. Okay, so maybe security codes like shift the combination at the safe. You wouldn't know what I'm trying to say, but that is a code. That's a language with that's a code or a language in our institution. So that means that I am actually being attacked. So it is all that. So what about Forex? Is there a language in Forex? They are telling you to say this market is now going to make sense. When somebody tells you to say bullish, what is it all about? When somebody tells you to say bearish, what is it all about? So you need to understand the language of Forex before you jump into Forex thinking that it is just like a gamble. I'm sorry for that. It's not a gamble. You need to build up the knowledge before you start trading Forex. All right. I'm going to make my recording simple, nothing to complicate and nothing to exaggerate. I am just going to be straight with you guys. All right, so the next course that we're going to be doing is candlestick patterns, and that can take us 10 minutes. I'm sure this can even be less because I don't like concentrating more on this one. I would rather do more of the technical analysis so that the candlestick can be a confirmation for our movement. So what is the next thing what's the next course again? Navigating MT4 and MT5. Okay, so this one is very important. Maybe at that point we'll be opening 1 or 2 accounts for us to trade, a demo account or something familiar that something similar that we can be trading on. So I will teach you guys how to dismantle all parts of MetaTrader and make it white, completely white, and finally you will be able to put back the pieces. Okay, for example, I can actually take down a lot of things away from here, like I can take out that thing, I can take out that thing, I can take all these things away, and you just remain with some white screen. Okay, so then you need to understand what you need to understand how to put back everything. Okay, so I'll take you through that course, guys. Okay, so then the other one is actually going to be advanced technical analysis. Okay, so this one this course is going to be very interesting. That is the core course. Okay, that's a core thing that you and me are going to be trading good, okay, with. That is the heart of Forex. You need to understand technical analysis. Okay, besides that, there's also fundamental analysis, and I'll just be adding 1 or 2 ideas on fundamental analysis. Okay, but we'll deeply get into advanced technical analysis, and I'm good at this. I'm good at this, trust me. Okay, so we can say now finally you got the skill of a pro trader. You'll be a professional trader, and I promise you guys, when I take you through this course, you'll get the best out of it. So remember, the minutes stipulated there don't really mean exactly, but it depends. It might be shorter or even longer. So thank you guys. I am really glad to have you here on this platform. God bless you. Let's make money together.